Hey boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to log in and take your Wonders Unit 3 Week 4 reading assessment. This is not new, we've done it all school year long. So you're going to go to your Clever and click on Wonders, and I've already done that, however mine looks a little bit different. So I clicked on Wonders and then it brought up the sign in. You're going to click on your name and I'm going to log in as Addison. Now it may ask you for your password. Remember, your password is your 8-digit birthday. Has never changed, it's been the same one all school year long. So you'll click on your Wonders grade 5. And then you're going to click on the green one that says To Do.
To do.
Then once you're here, this is where some students forget to change the tab. You need to click on My Tests. Okay, and it is Unit 3, Week 4 Selection Test. And if you click Take Now, you'll be able to take the test. Now let me go over my expectations for you. I expect that every single student stays muted during the test. If you have a question or you need help, please send your question in the chat. You will need to take your time and read each question and answer choice carefully. Please do not rush, as this is a grade for your report card. Please let it reflect what you actually know. I also expect you to use the text, Winter's Tale, it's the story we've read all week long, to find text evidence to help you answer your comprehension questions. Do not rush, take your time. You must be following directions. Everybody has to take this test. You do not have permission to sit there and do nothing. Now, once you've finished your test, you've taken your time, you've found your text evidence, you've read each question and answer choice carefully, you may log in to Imagine Literacy. Your only choice is Imagine Literacy. Make me proud. Do your very best.